From the blue corner, weighing 28 kilograms, from Liban Albay, Robert Balang. Palakpakan naman tayo yan!
Dapat palang taas.
Our third Taduran, please be ready. Our first bout of DGP, Sahilang versus Balang. Umpisa pa lang yan, wala nang ingay galing ng mga tao. That's the first bout of DGP. That's the end of the first round. Our rounder, Miss Johnny Ruari. Round 2.
Ang sana mabato lakad ka na sa pagka. Paano ka pagsimula? Nalagang ka
Nagkakaroon sa round 2 ng ating match. Palakpakan naman kayo lahat na naririto kayo sa game at nanonood ng boxing night. Alright! Next sino yung blue corner? Ang pangalan ng naka-blue corner? Para alam mo lang si Mr. Si Robert Balang sa blue corner. Binibilangan ng right corner. Bibilang. Kaya ba? Let's go! Diyan ay sa gila, right corner. Okay. Box. Hercules Corbin and Elton John Duran, please be ready. You're the next. And Jesus Arieta and Jorex Caduran, please be ready. Proceed. Bago lahat, nagpapasalamat po kami kay Honorable Joey Sardes Salceda, Honorable Congressman of 3rd District Raymond Adrian Salceda, and 3rd District Senior Board Member Juan Miguel Combo Salceda, and our Municipal Mayor Giselle Richard Salceda. And nagpapasalamat po kami sa Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Cherry Mendez Apan. That's the end of the second round. Sa ating round na nagkagandahan. Oh, ang mga mata nyo! Lalo na yung isa dyan! Tingnan mo!
Lumalaki ang mata.
Papasalamat po kami sa SP Secretary Norberto Sumaybay, Asantea, CPO Pulangi EPS. At nagpapasalamat din po kami sa lahat ng Municipal Councilor sa pamumunan Municipal Councilor Attorney Cristel Luis Pasha, Honorable Eugene L. Aribe, Honorable Brad Martet Subando, and Honorable Bernie Brucano, Honorable William H. Buendia, Honorable Rizaldi Ricciardo, Honorable our ABC President Brad Jose Nino Zamora the second, and Honorable Nino Adonis Remeta, Honorable Kenny Edwin Siguenza, Honorable Rachel Allen S. Florin, our SK Federation President, and our Provincial Grand Escapron Brad Ronnie M. Asindo, and Punangi Council Grand Escapron Johnson Rebe, and sa medal sponsor, Punangi Basketball Federation. Maraming salamat po.
Hands down. So, that's the